A secret to making money really, really quickly is making decisions really, really quickly. So to make decisions really, really quickly, you've got to know what you're doing. And the first thing is, you hear me talk about this all the time. What is your number one purpose? What is the purpose of your business? What is it you're trying to deliver to clients? And then what values do you have? And values are basically just controlling behavior, guys. How do you want to act with customers? How do you want to act with staff? How do you want to act with suppliers? They're probably the three biggest behaviors. And if you can get the rules around them down, you're going to go a long way to success. But by having those rules and by having your purpose, every time you're asked to make a decision, you say, does this match my values or my rules? And does this match my purpose? And if the answer is yes, the answer is yes. And if the answer is no, the answer is no. You want to make money quickly? You need to make decisions quickly. And for that, you need to know very clearly what your purpose is and very clearly what your rules of engagement is with customers, suppliers, and your staff. I almost forgot that one. They're the most important. I'll see you next time.